look at this awesome Paw Patrol advent calendar. Let's find out what's in the numbers. First, let's start with the number 1.
I can't wait. Let's see.
Let's see what's inside. Let's see.
Rubble!
It's Rubble! It's Rubble!
Rubble on a double.
Choo-choo. Look at his cool little yellow hat and his badge. What's in number 2? What is it? It's behind number 2. What's it gonna be?
A Christmas tree!
A Christmas tree!
That Christmas tree is beautiful.
It is beautiful. Look at that. Oh, look, it's got all those little red ornaments on there. They're red circles.
Let's put it there.
Yeah?
That's a perfect spot.
What's in number 3? What's it gonna be?
I don't know.
What is that?
A blue
Wow.
snowboard.
It's a snowboard.
I did not know that there was a snowboard in there.
Neither did I. Think somebody should ride it? Yeah?
Maybe Chase.
Oh. What's
What?
behind number 4? What is it? What is it? What's inside number 4? This is a big one.
A shop.
It is a shop. Look at this. You have a little cute log cabin with all these Christmas lights. Okay, where's number 5?
What's in number 5? I don't know.
What is that? What is it? What is it? Oh, it's a snow ramp. Yeah, it's a snow ramp. Aww. Oh, you've got reindeer and little bunny rabbits. Look at the polar bear.
Yes.
I have an idea. We'll put this snowboard up here. We'll have Rubble hop on and whoa, surfs up.
Where's number 6?
Number 6 is here. Oh, what is that? We've got some icicles. Look at these icicles. Wow, I have an idea. We'll put the icicles onto the snow ramp and then
That was fun.
yeah.
Where's number 7? There it is.
Oh. Ah! It's Chase.
Chase. Chase, we're on the case.
Yeah?
That was a number 7. Hi, Rubble. Nice Christmas tree.
Do you think maybe I could give it a try since I also have a blue hat and a blue badge? I don't see why not. Boop. Boop. Whoa! Thanks, Rubble.
Woo!
Thanks for sharing.
Woohoo, that was fun. Where's number 8? There's number 8. What is it? A Christmas Santa Claus sleigh. How cool is that?
Yes.
It
Whoa.
looks so beautiful.
I think so too.
Me too.
Ooh, I wonder what we can do inside the red sleigh. Oh, Rubble hopped in.
Rubble, what are you doing in there?
Oh, it's chasing him. Chase is chasing him.
Chase. Why are you chasing Rubble?
Number 9.
Wonder what's in.
No. Oh, this is just in time for Christmas. We have some presents.
Presents.
We got some presents.
How cool is that?
Yeah, look at that.
Where could it go?
For the Christmas tree?
Yeah. Those Christmas trees look like presents.
Yeah, that's true. Okay.
Number 10.
A big one.
What is it gonna be?
It's
Another
snow
Christmas ramp.
It's just a snow ramp, so you can go sledding or snowboarding. Let's see, what's on it?
Reindeers.
Aww.
Look at those cute little reindeers. I love this one.
Oh, and then you got little bunnies, bunny rabbits.
No Christmas rabbits.
Oh, they're all Christmas rabbits. Okay. Let's see. Whoa, let's give it a try. Ooh. Whoa. What's in number 11?
A 27. It's another shop.
Yeah.
I love that beautiful shop.
What do they sell in there? I think.
They sell for snowboards.
Yeah, and skis and hats and jackets.
Now
Nice.
12
Let's see number 12. What's in number 12?
is
Uh-oh.
Camilla.
It's Camilla. Oh, that crazy chicken. Have you ever seen a chicken wear a hat
Yeah.
and a scarf? I have never seen a chicken. Oh, he's on Rubble's head.
That's funny, Camilla.
I have never seen a chicken wear clothes. Oh, Camilla fell down! We have Zuma. Look at Zuma.
I'm ready to ride.
Zuma's lucky number 13. Maybe Zuma can hop in the sleigh. Oh, he's driving Santa's sleigh. Ah! Woo! Oh, number 14. Oh, wow, we have another snowboard. Oh!
Oh, it's Zuma's snowboard.
It is, it's Zuma's snowboard. Ooh. Lovely orange color.
Maybe Zuma could go on.
Yeah, that sounds like a good idea.
Yeah.
Oop, wrong way. He's about to go backwards down.
That's so silly.
Woo! Have you ever been snowboarding?
Oh, not for a very long time.
Yeah. Okay, number 15.
15.
What's inside?
Rocky.
Oh, it's Rocky! What does Rocky say?
Green means go.
Green means go! Look at his candy cane. Do you like candy canes?
Yeah, they're my favorite.
They are?
Yeah.
It's a yellow sled! Look at that. Oh yeah, Rocky's in there. Rubble's in there.
That's so funny.
Oh, and it looks like these connect. Who's gonna ride the sled?
Oh, Rocky.
Rocky's gonna drive the sled. He looks like Santa cane with his little candy cane. Choo. Choo. Okay, what's in number 17? Uh-oh.
Santa Claus.
No.
Marshal.
It's Marshal with a Santa hat on. Oh, I love it. Let's hop in. Go for a ride. Oh, up and away. I think he says ho, ho, ho.
Ho, ho, ho.
Oh, it's another snowboard. Ooh, look at that. It's like a turquoise teal color. Look at this. I know who this belongs to.
What's number 19? Another Christmas tree. How beautiful is that?
You like it?
Yeah.
Oh, that one's different than the other one. It's got those little yellow stars on it. Oh, I love those. Only a few left. Let's see. Number 20. What's number 20? What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? Oh, we have another sled. Look at this. A green sled. That is such a cool sled. Oh, should we attach it to the back?
Yeah.
Okay, let's put it in the
a good
back.
idea.
Who should go in the green sled?
Rocky.
Yeah, of course. Green should go on green. Oh, I'm gonna go on the green sled. Oh, look. Ah, woo.
Red means go. Red means go.
Red means stop.
Red means stop.
Green means go. Oh, look. Woo.
Woo.
Oh. Whee!
So fun.
Uh-oh, traffic jam. Oh, fell out. Okay, let's look at number 21. Oh, it's the new pup, Everest. I didn't know she was going to be in here.
Snow Paw Patrol.
The Snow Paw Patrol. Part. And he could go sledding down the hill. Paw Patrol, we're on a roll. Okay, 22, 22.
It's
Ooh.
Rubble's
Snowboard. Wait.
snowboard.
What? You got a snowboard and a sled? How did you end up with two of them, Rubble? All right, which one is going to choose? Which one?
I think Rubble told an elf to put magic.
To give him two different gifts?
Yep.
Maybe he was just a really good boy. Look, they're all going to line up. Do-do-do. Okay, 23. What's inside? What's
A
inside?
snowman.
How do you know? Oh, yes, you're right. Look at that.
It's a
Snowman.
It's Frosty the snowman.
Frosty the snowman was a jolly, happy soul.
Tubba-tee tum-tum, tubba-tee tum-tum.
Look at Frosty go.
Over the hills we go. Tubba-tee tum-tum.
Oh, last one. Last one. What is it? Oh, Sky!
I knew it was Sky.
Hop her on. And I think that these guys should just have some fun in the snow. What do you think? I think they should go sledding and snowboarding. Ew. This is such a great little Paw Patrol village. Oh, whee! Whee! Hey, do you guys want to go play? I do. Let's go. Whoa, I think there might be too many of us. You know what they should do is have a snowball fight.
Yep, but we have no snow.
Maybe we can try and figure out how to make snow.
Chase, Marshal, Rocky, Sky, Zuma, Rubble, Snow Patrol, Paw Patrol, Paw Patrol. Now this is the winter wonderland. Ho, 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 you better not cry, you better not pout, you better not cry, I'm telling you what, Santa Claus is coming to town. Bye-bye.
Bye, and I hope you guys have a happy holidays from the Paw Patrol.